Hi assemblers, this is Jan Ho with Some Assembly Required, and we're going to talk today about a simple electrical swap out. So the tools that we're looking at having is a straight and Phillips screwdrivers, a couple pairs of pliers, needle nose plane, a couple wire cutters, electrical outlet testers, wire tape, and wire nuts. I strongly suggest if you're not comfortable with trying any of this, don't do it. Call an electrician. Otherwise, make sure your circuit is cut off on anything that you're planning to touch. So the three types of outlets. First is a non-grounded mold. It's old school and you can only order it online. The second is a normal grounded. You can pick it up any normal hardware store. The third is a GFCI. GFCI is to be used around water source within 6 feet, and it has its own breaker, so it will pop before it will pop at your box. So what we're looking at right now, we're going to be working with a prop drywall. I set it up with a outlet that needs to be swapped out. So I've taken off the outlet cover already, and I take my tester. I have a hot circuit I have to go turn off. So I turn off that circuit. Let's see if it's good. It's ready to be pulled out. So I can take my drill. This outlet needs the wire stripped at lat length. As you can see, it's not, so I have to do some cutting or stripping of that wire. Most outlets will tell you which side to put the hot black wire, the white wire, which is your neutral, and your ground, which is always green. So I've turned the power back on. I'll just verify. Yes, I have power. I'll put in my testing circuit, and if everything's right, those two lights will be on. I always test my outlet before I shove all the wires back in, so I don't have to pull them all back out. That's a simple outlet swap out. A switch is the exact same thing. If you've got more than one switch or more than one outlet, it's a little trickier. Just take a picture of that wiring and duplicate it exactly. If you enjoyed that hint, hit like, and if you would like more updates, hit subscribe.